same problem from your homework. That's awesome, okay? So here's what I know about it. I want you to turn a fraction into a decimal. And hopefully you remember how to do this. But if I handed you a calculator and said, hey, that's what you got on your paper, first of all, hope you wanted a 5 out of 5, not 3 out of 5. I know you probably wouldn't get this. Not that there's anything wrong with making mistakes, but most people, when they look at this, remember that we take the numerator divided by the denominator. However, when they set up this problem, the one unfortunate mistake that they always make is they assume that the bigger number always goes on the inside of the box, that it's the dividend. However, in this case, dividing the numerator by the denominator, yes, we are going to take 3 and divide it by 5. So 3 needs to be the dividend. 5 are divisors. We need to find this quotient, but keep in mind here, this fraction wasn't even one whole. So it makes sense that when I ask this really silly question, that you're looking at this as 5 going into 3. Does 5 go into 3? No, it doesn't. So we put a 0 up top. Okay, well, what else? Well, I look at it this way. I say, well, what can I do? You build on a decimal. We'll drop in a 0. Now, although we know that this is 3, because it's 3.0, we'll think of it as 30 and ask this question again. Hey, how many times does 5 go into 30? And the answer to that is, yes, it goes in 6 times. I know this because 6 times 5 is 30, and we can be done now because we have nothing left over. So the answer here is 3/5 is a decimal is 0.6. Hope that helps you with your homework.